Number 10, Gold Coast, Australia, Queensland surf mecca. The sixth largest city in Australia is renowned for its numerous right-hand point breakers, lengthy beach breaks, and a brand new artificial reef at Narrow Neck. This city of nearly 600,000 people is a pleasant marriage between the attractions of Australian nature and all the perks and conveniences of a highly developed urban vacation destination. Dry winters, a mild subtropical climate, and a vast hinterland of forested, mountainous national parks contribute to this from January to July. Surfing is at its peak: Straighty Snapper Superbank, the Spit Main Beach Green Mont Cooling, Data Beach Surfers Paradise Coram, the Alley Burley Miami, Duran Ba, Broad Beach, Mermaid Beach, Palm Beach, Tugun, Linga and Kira are a few notable breaks. Number 9. Jeffreys Bay, South Africa Super Tubes. The longest and best right-hander in the world, according to many experts, is located at JBA, which offers 10 separate sections and is well liked by advanced surfers, intermediate surfers and longboarders alike. Watch out for currents, put on booties and have a sturdy board. Other portions of Jeffreys Bay include the Point M tubes, kitchen windows, Impossible salad bowls, Boneyards coins, Albatross and tubes, in addition to the pro-level super tubes. Number 8. Peninsula, Bali, Indonesia, eat, pray, and surf. The northwest coast of the Phuket is home to some of Bali's best beaches and Asia's top surfing locations, with a variety of waves suited for surfers of all skill levels from absolute beginners, pad-on right to experts and pros. Alo Wado pod on left. Check out the ethereal splendor of the El Wado Temple, which looks out over the same-named world-class surf break. In addition to surfing, it is worthwhile to explore the Boo, enjoy the breathtaking natural landscape along the shore, and determine which break is perfect for you. In Dreamland, Impossibles and Belen are some of the other well-known surf places on the Butte. Number 7, Malibu, California, USA. This iconic area of Californian culture, the first world surfing reserve, is well known for more than just its waves. Hollywood movies and television shows frequently feature it. Malibu is a fantastic surf site for both novice and experienced surfers, and its proximity to Los Angeles and other SoCal attractions makes it ideal for anybody looking for a traditional adventure on the U.S. West Coast. Longboarders and beginners will love Malibu Surfrider Beach, but it may get very busy. In general, California offers up to 300 days per year of excellent surfing conditions. Going to Malibu is like making a pilgrimage to the spot where surfing first gained popularity outside of its Polynesian birthplace and where modern surf culture was born. Number 6, Oahu, Hawaii, USA. We'll make an exception in this case and list a full island as one of our best travel destinations. In actuality, it would be illegal to leave Oahu off of any top 10 lists. For surfing, only professionals will be able to surf these famous 6-meter waves at Oulu's Pipeline, according to CNN. Fortunately, the island that is the origin of contemporary surfing also has a ton of different breakers. The legendary North Shore's 7 miles of locations, which include Backdoor, Waimea Bay, Kaina Point, Sunset Beach, Pupu, K Beach and Kahuku Point, are best for specialists in the winter and novices in the spring. Students might benefit from Laiki Keys, more tranquil waves as well. Number 5, Arica, Portugal. Arica, which hosts the ASP World Tour Surf Championship at Ribeira Dias Beach, is an outstanding surfing location by any measure. Arica was designated as the first world surfing reserve in Europe in 2011 due to its 9 premier surfing beaches and strict environmental regulations. Additionally, there are over 30 other surf places nearby, and Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, is easily accessible and well worth a few day trips. In addition to beginner-friendly waves like Foz do Los Andro, São Julio and Praia dos Areias, 8 miles, 5 kilometers of coastline, also has breaks for intermediate and advanced surfers, including Rivera Cox's Cave and São Lourenço. In addition to waves, Arica provides the magnificent natural landscape the area is known for, as well as the genuine attractions of a traditional Portuguese fishing community. Number 4, Hassinger, France. Another hub for European surfing is located on the Landes coast of southwest France and offers kilometers of stunning beach breaks. In addition to some outstanding pro-level tubes that are reminiscent of Hawaii's best waves, despite the fact that mansions border the shore, there are several campgrounds for surfers on a tight budget. Professional athletes compete at the Quicksilver Pro France in Hassinger every September. Les Calls News Hazerplage Central Log Riviere. Les Isine Lappen and Les Bourdain are among the locations. Number 3, Santa Cruz, California, USA. This NorCal surfing hotspot, which Alex Wade ranked number 1 in the London Times, provides something for every level of surfer and is a genuine piece of surf history. Cole's Kinder waves are perfect for beginners, while Steamer Lane's right-hand point break is a challenge for specialists. There are 2 right-handers called Pleasure Point and the hook for those who fall somewhere in the middle. Santa Cruz is a sizable town with a great boardwalk in the summer, nice shops and restaurants, and a seat of your side day excursions to this amazing city are made easier by San Francisco's closeness. Number 2, Port Escondido, Mexico. Looking for top-notch barrels, welcoming waves for beginners, delicious food and stunning landscape on a budget? A world-class beach break may be found in Escondido, the Mexican pipeline on the Pacific coast of Oaxaca state. Get ready for a fantastic and affordable surfing vacation by renting a cheap beach cottage. You have a wide range of options for visiting throughout the surfing season, which runs from March to December. The Pointzilla Beach and Kitty Break are a few breaks. Using Port Escondido is your home base. It's also advised to drive to several surf sites around the coast. Number 1, San Juan del Nicaragua. This expanding tourist destination in Central America provides a variety of surfing beaches as well as activities including bicycling, sailing, ziplining, dining, nightlife, and yoga, in addition to other water and adventure sports. Despite growing in popularity among surfers, there are still fewer tourists here than in places like Mexico, Costa Rica and El Salvador. Playa Medis with waves suitable for all skill levels. Playa Reso ideal for beginners in 10 minutes from town. Playa Yankee advanced Colorado left and right river mouth barrels. Playa Coco beginners and Playa Hermosa 1 mile long. Boat accessible, occasionally barreling and plenty of free peaks are notable surf spots in San Juan del Surf. A friendly, cosmopolitan town that is well liked by in the spring and summer surfing is at its peak. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below.